Well, good morning everybody. Welcome to the 1st of April. It is Thursday. Please read through your disclaimer. Let's look at the chart setups for today. Please remember I will close out all of the trades this afternoon. It is a long weekend. I will be off the grid and I will only come back on Monday and upload all of your weekly Outlook videos, update the charts, etc. so that we can kick off for the new month on Tuesday. Please also remember, if you want to be a member, for 3 months, you only have to pay this weekend. For 2 months, that's $50 or 720 Rand. You will get access, Telegram group, etc. If you want to do a basic training course, you will have access to the site for 3 months. Advanced training course built around the Elliott wave principle, harmonic patterns, the right way to use the Fibonacci levels, structures, patterns. You will get 6 months free on the site. Or if you want to do the full training course, if you're a novice trader and just want to be part of us for 12 months, you can do that as well. Please write me an email at the bottom. This month I will also do an Elliott wave course, how to identify the patterns, when to enter the market, where your stop losses should be. That is also for this month. So let's go to the charts quickly. Let's look at the charts for today. First of all, very nice setup here. I do suggest don't only keep your Telegram close for entries and exits when I take the trades. Also, please, each and every morning, come log in, look at the video for the day. This was given to you yesterday. Very nice setup here on the S&P. This is a very nice running triangle as explained on your video yesterday morning. The market broke the resistance outside of this pennant or triangle according to the wave principle, and basically you got in and out the same day. The risk here equals to the reward, in and out. Very nice setup here. I'm still looking for higher levels today on the S&P. I'm still feeling that 40,000, 40,200 area going to be tested as soon as this resistance can break that was formed yesterday. Let's look at the dollar index. I do suggest the dollar is going to still drift higher. Why do I say this? I'm looking at this as a 3-wave move in the wave Y of the wave principle. And it seems to me that this is the wave 1 and 2. We're only at the 3rd wave here, 4th wave pullback maybe this morning, and then I'm looking for higher levels on the dollar. What I do suggest then is that if the market turns there, and it's very close to a turning area, I believe, if the dollar turns, after it turned, we can look for impulse waves to the downside. We look for corrective patterns and we can start to buy the majors, especially the euro. Let's look at the euro. Very close to the support. I like this. Look at the RSI here. So this inverse of the dollar index. Very nice divergence on the RSI. There's also 5 waves in this last move. I do feel that the turn on the euro is very close. As soon as the market turns and the market gives us impulse waves to the upside and give us corrective patterns, we can take these trades and we can take the euro. I do see the euro going to take out the highs of 2021 there at 123.50. I'm looking for those levels to be broken, but still a bearish market here on the euro. There are some signs that the market is going to be very close to a turning area, but wait for it to turn and we can take it as soon as the market moves to the upside. New Zealand dollar. Right, very interesting turning area for the New Zealand dollar here yesterday. This is the channel that it's currently in, and I've drawn in a trend line over these highs, became support here, support there, and see how the market is finding resistance at that line again. Also on the 50% line of this channel, and now the market is giving us a head and shoulders pattern here that we can trade as a continuation pattern. Right, so there's the pattern. Also we are against this 200 moving average. I want to look for selling opportunities this morning. As soon as the market comes back a little bit, if it starts to turn and it accelerates to the downside, I'll perhaps take some trades. I will let you know on the group as soon as I do that. The dollar rand today, I'm still seeing this as a very nice setup to trade. Let's look at the RSI here. The RSI is confirming that momentum is contracting. I just want to see, are we getting to get one push to the upside? It is on this lower boundary of this momentum triangle. Are we getting to get that resistance area there? If we get it, I'm going to sell it at 15.29. Stop losses will be above 115.64. I do still see this as a running triangle. Want to sell it there for lower levels on the dollar rand. It's not going to happen today though. I do see this maybe next week or so for this market to give us one more rally to the upside and to sell it. If the market, however, decides just to break these lows, we can look for selling opportunities. Then this market has completed the wave E there as a triangle. It's over, it's done then. And then we're not going to get this push to that upside. So as soon as the market gives us more clear direction, we will take this. Dollar rand, very interesting. Euro Aussie, very nice setup. If you watched the video yesterday morning, I explained that there's a small head and shoulders pattern here that you can buy it once the market breaks this neckline. That happened this morning early. Look at this small head and shoulders here. Also a big 5-0 pattern. I am looking for more upside. What I want to do today, if you're not in this trade because the market broke early this morning in the Asian session, I'm looking to buy this box. This box comes in at 5490, 5470. I do suggest that is the area to buy. We also got this 200 moving averages coming into these lows. So I'm looking at this as a wave 1 and 2. This is an aggressive third wave. I'm just waiting to buy the pullback, this fourth wave. My stop losses will be below 54.40. So this is a daily trade setup. I want to take it here at 5480, take it up to maybe that resistance at 156. So this is a very nice setup. I will let you know as soon as that one plays out. Dollar CAD, interesting here. We can see this as a King's Crown. It's breaking the trend line, taking out the support level here, giving us a pullback into this backside of this trend line. I'm looking for one push to the downside into this 25. This will be a day trade setup. Please remember, long term, I am still looking for higher levels on the dollar CAD. This is a move. I'm looking for a 3-wave pullback only to these levels, and then for another move to this 127.60 area, and from there the market to go lower. That is my forecast on this. Let's see what the dollar CAD is doing. Oil also very interesting. I have brought in this trend line. I made it a nice and thick trend line so that you can see that there is a behavioral change on oil. Let's look at this 200 moving average. We stayed above it, stayed above this trend, and now suddenly the market is giving us some sort of head and shoulders look here. There's the neckline. The previous support has been broken, so this is a King's Crown as well. I'm just waiting for maybe this 61.8% to be tested, and from there I'll look for short opportunities. Let's bring in this Fibonacci tool. From these highs to these lows, look where this 61.8% comes in. It's equal to this left shoulder of this King's Crown, and it's also very nice past resistance, future support, resistance. 63.86, that is my spot that I want to look at. I still see this as a 5 waves down. On oil, I'm still seeing this whole corrective pattern as a B wave, and then I'm looking for lower levels at least on oil. So those are my setups for today. Guys, thanks a lot. If you want to be a member, all those details will be on the side. All right, everybody, keep well. Bye-bye.